Good morning, children. We have already studied about commercial bank, the functions of commercial bank, what is commercial bank, and the importance of commercial bank for the economy. Now, today I am going to start central bank. What is central bank? Central bank is an apex institution in the banking and financial structure of the country. Why it is called apex institution? Because central bank is the main institute which look after or controls the activity of all other commercial banks. It is the apex institution and very important institution in the banking and financial structure of any economy. It is having a central position, pivotal position in the monetary and banking structure. It plays a very important role in organizing, supervising and regulating the banking structure. And in every country is only having one central bank. Always remember, there are so many commercial banks in the country, but there is only one central bank in each and every country, and in our country India it is known as Reserve Bank of India, RBI. In our country the central bank is RBI. It is having branches, but only one central bank is there. There are so many commercial banks, and commercial banks are private also and government public banks also, like ICICI, SDFC, Indian Bank. They all are private banks. SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda, they all are government sector banks. Okay, so commercial bank can be private and also can be public, but central bank can and only be a public sector bank which is under the control of the government. Okay, clear? So this is central bank. Now let's see some differences between central bank and commercial bank. Central bank, commercial bank. There is only one central bank, or we can say the apex institution of the country, and there are so many commercial banks in a country. Okay, central bank is non-profit making. Central bank is set up for the regulating the financial structure, and commercial banks are profit making. Always remember, commercial bank open to earn profit. How they earn profit? By taking interest from the people when they are giving loan like this. And central bank is not giving loan to anybody, and it is non-profit organization. Central bank only deals with the government. Commercial bank deals with the public also. Deals with the public. It is the bank of people, bank of the general public. And central bank is called as the bank of government. Okay. Commercial bank mobilize saving, and central bank just regulate that all the objectives are properly functioning. Just check that all the objectives of banking structure, of the objective of banking institutes are properly fulfilled or not. Commercial bank creates credit. Central bank controls credit. I have already explained you credit creation of commercial bank. You have seen that how all commercial bank collectively creates the credit. So central bank, commercial bank creates the credit, and how much credit should be flow in the market. When a government want to get more people will take loan. When government want to curb our purchasing power, how that control of credit is done by the central bank. So this is the next difference. Commercial bank creates credit, central bank controls the credit. And a very important function of central bank which commercial bank is not having is issue of currency. Central bank issues the currency. Only and only central bank is having a monopoly power in minting and printing of notes and coins. Central bank issues the currency, commercial bank is not having this power. This is the unique feature of central bank, that central bank issues the currency. Okay, so these are the differences between central bank and commercial bank. these differences can come. I will send you the pic of the differences in the proper format so that you just copy it in your registers, because sometimes these differences can come in long questions also and sometimes they come in short also. So children, this is the major difference between central bank and commercial bank. So we have studied about commercial bank, which is dealing with the public. Now let's start studying about the central bank, which is mainly dealing with the government.